To connect your LogTag Wi-Fi logger to your Wi-Fi network, plug your device into your PC using a USB cable. Open the Connection Wizard application by selecting Connection Wizard under the LogTag Online drop-down menu within your LogTag Analyzer 3 application. Or navigate to the LogTag Online page under the Software tab on the LogTag website, then download the latest Connection Wizard by selecting the download file. Once the Connection Wizard has opened, select Start. Enter your LogTag Online account details, then select Sign In. Alternatively, you can select Create a LogTag Online account if you do not have an account. The logger is now being registered to LogTag Online. Select or enter the name of the required Wi-Fi network and enter the corresponding password. Then select Next. The Connection Wizard is now verifying the device's connectivity to the network. Connection successful will display when the logger has connected to the network in LogTag Online. For more help on connecting your logger to the network using the Connection Wizard, select the Help link.